Welcome everyone. In last video we saw about the break statement. In this video we're going to see about the continue statement. So what is the difference between the break and count? While in last video, as we know, if we want to print 1 to 10 and after 7 we want to cut off and we don't want to print 8, 9 and 10, then we're going to use a break statement. What is the difference between a break and a continue? Continue is just skip any one number. Let's say in this example we want to print 1 to 10 and we want to skip 4 number, but rest of the number we want to print. We're going to use a continue. So in this video we're going to use a for loop and while loop. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and let's get started. So I do have a class called count. I'm going to add my method in this. So I would say void for loop, and inside I'm going to use for loop. So for int I equal to 0, 1 actually, and 1 is less than or equal to 10, I plus plus, and I'm going to say system dot out dot println. So I want to see whether it's printing or not. So I'm not going to code at a one time everything. So first I'm going to see whether it's printing or not, and then I'm going to add one by one. It's not out, it's out, and I semicolon, and I'm going to create object. So count C equal to new count C dot for loop, and I'm going to run. And want to see whether it's printing 1 to 10 or not. Yes, it's printed 1 2 3 4. Okay, so from I want to skip number 4, right? So right now it's printing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a if statement here. I'm going to see, so if I is equal to 4 and curly brace, and I would say continue. So I'm going to add this one and semicolon, and now let's print it. So as you can see, 1 2 3 and 4 is skipped, and it started with the 5 6 7 8 9 10. How are we going to do in a while loop? So every time we use a same method, this time I'm going to create a new method, void while loop, and I would say int I equal to 1 while, make a condition, so I is greater than or equal to 10, and here I'm going to say same thing, I plus plus. I'm going to add, this is while loop, this is for loop, and concat that one. So right here, and I'm going to add. Again, want to see whether it's printing or not, so let's run it. So this is for 1 to 10. Okay, so for while loop, since we added in a different method, so let's call this method. So c dot, and my method name is while, c dot while loop, and now it's printed while loop. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So now I'm going to skip number 4. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add if. So here I would say in a while, if I is equal to, so equal to means comparing, and I plus plus, I'm going to do in a continue. It's not here. And now we're going to print. So this is while loop. So 1 2 3, and as you can see, the 4 is skipped and it start with the 5. If you want to skip 7, then just add 7 here. So in while loop, that's going to skip 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 7 is skipped. So that's how you're going to use a continue statement. So hope you like my video. If you like and if you learned something, please subscribe my channel, and we will see you next video. Bye bye.